Last month, BC passed a new law banning drug use in public spaces like parks. Now the BC Supreme Court has pressed pause on the law.
Fuck.
I don't know how I feel about that because I use in my tent and so that it's not out in the open.
Living in a tent in Vancouver's downtown east side, David Piggott says he has nowhere else to go.
I got nowhere else to go! I got nowhere else to go!
The province was working to decriminalize some amounts of illicit drugs to help deal with the overdose crisis. But in the face of pressure from communities, it banned drug use on beaches, at transit stops, and in front of businesses. That makes it more dangerous, say advocates for drug users, because it pushes them to use drugs in isolation, away from life-saving services.
Bitch, please.
If I had to guess, I would say that it was a largely political decision. And with all due respect, I think it was one very deeply rooted in stigma.
We have to accept people for who they are and what they like to do. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Oh, I was just,
There's no smoking in the museum!
But I'm not in the museum.
Get out of here, you filthy smoker!
Yeah, dirty lungs!
Go ahead and kill yourself, stupid tar breath!
Dumbass, get out of here!
Some communities who say they're overwhelmed by crime are disappointed.
I think the vast majority of British Columbians are really very tired and frustrated by the open use of drugs that they know eventually and often prove deadly to their fellow citizens.
Well, no fucking shit.
A big concern, whether police could force drug users to leave public spaces.
Our members no longer had the authority to ask someone to leave in the rare circumstances where they do find them using illicit drugs in problematic circumstances, like in places, for example, where children are likely to be found.
Oh, won't somebody please think of the children?
Fuck you and your family.
The province says treating addiction while addressing public safety concerns are key to how BC moves forward.
We're going to review the impact of this court decision and possible responses by the government.
The court will take until the end of March to look at whether the public use ban violates charter rights. Mira Baines, CBC News, Vancouver.
Fuck them kids.
Fuck the kids?
Yeah.
Man, fuck you, son.